All right, next we'll see some basic operations in Python. So first thing is our arithmetic operations. So in arithmetic operations, we have additions, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo operations. We'll see them one by one. So first we'll start with addition. So let's say A is equal to 10. It's a very basic thing. So B is equal to 5. So now we want to add this A and B, right? So how do we add it? To add two variables, we simply say A plus B. Okay, A plus B. And after adding, whatever result will come, we will store that result inside the result variable. So now to print the result, we'll simply put that result inside the print statement. So I'll say result. Okay, save this and let me clear it and run it. Python 3 learn python.py, and you can see it is 15. So I am seeing str here because I'm just printing this type product name, right? So if I run it again, and you can see here it is the very basic addition operation. Okay, if you want to say subtraction, let's say result is equal to A minus B. Okay, A minus B. So now if you run it again, and you'll see 5. So similarly, we have multiplication. So we'll say result is equal to A, A multiplied by B. You can simply put the star here so that it will be considered as multiplication operation, and simply say run the program, and you will see 10 into 5 is 50. Okay, similarly, let's say result is equal to division, right? So A divided by B. You need not to be putting space here. Okay, even if you don't put the space, it is going to work. Okay, A divided by B, and we are storing the result inside the result variable, and then we are printing it here, and let's run it, and you can see 10 by 5 is 2. Right now, one more thing, that is modulo. So it's actually a reminder. Let's take one more. We'll not use A and B. We'll use x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 3. So now I want to find out the reminder after dividing this 10 by 3. Okay, so what should be the answer? So let's say a result is equal to x modulo, just put this percentage and 3 x, not 3, it should be y. Okay, x modulo y. So what is happening here is it is dividing 10 by 3. So out of 10, 9 will be divisible by 3, and the remaining will be 1. This is a reminder. Okay, so that's why we should say this is output. Okay, so let's see what you will get. Okay, you can see it is 1. Now if you change the values, 9 will be divisible by 3, the whole, right? So the remainder should be 0. You can see 0. If you change it to 14 by 3, out of 14, 12 will be divisible by 3, and remaining will be 2, right? So that remainder will be 2, right? So this is the 2, right? So that's how you make some basic arithmetic operations. So that's about the basic arithmetic operations in Python.